Hey there, fellow EV enthusiasts. Welcome back to EV Equity Edge, your channel for the latest insights on electric vehicle stocks. If you find our content informative and engaging, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay up to date with our daily analyses and be part of our growing community of savvy investors. Now, let's jump right into today's episode and explore the exciting world of Tesla stock performance today, July 12th. Starting off with the metrics for today, we witnessed some interesting movement in Tesla's stock. The day began with an opening price of $276.25, and as the trading session unfolded, the stock closed at $271.99. This represents a daily decrease of 0.82%. It's worth noting that today's closing price fell below the previous day's closing price of $269.79, indicating a bearish sentiment. The daily high reached $276.52, while the daily low dipped to $271.46, showcasing a range of 1.88%. Now, what's interesting to highlight here is the relatively tight range compared to previous days. This narrower range could signify a decrease in volatility and potentially indicate a consolidation phase for the stock. Turning our attention to trading volume, we observed a daily volume of 95.4 million shares, which is slightly lower than the average volume of 137.15 million shares. This decline in volume suggests a decrease in market participation and might raise questions about the level of investor interest today. Taking a closer look at the abnormal metrics, the daily change of 0.82% is worth exploring. While this change may seem modest at first glance, it's crucial to consider it in the context of the overall market conditions and the stock's recent performance. It's essential to monitor whether this change could potentially signal a larger trend or be an isolated fluctuation. Considering the support and resistance levels from the previous day, we observed that the stock remained below the resistance points at $276.39, $283.16, and $283.81. On the other hand, the stock stayed above the support levels. These levels act as crucial markers for investors and traders, and the stock's ability to breach or hold these levels can provide valuable insights into future price movements. In summary, today's price action in Tesla's stock showcased a slight decline with a narrower range and lower trading volume compared to the average. While the daily change may seem modest, it's important to monitor its implications within the broader market context and keep an eye on the support and resistance levels for potential breakout or reversal signals. All right, let's dive into the news and analyze its potential impact on Tesla's stock price. In recent news, we have an article titled, "Why Teslas Are Going to Get a Bit More Expensive in the Near Future." This piece sheds light on the connection between U.S. taxpayers and the electric vehicle revolution, with Tesla emerging as one of the major beneficiaries. One key aspect highlighted is the availability of tax credits for EV buyers under the IRS program. Buyers who meet certain income thresholds and purchase a new plug-in EV or fuel cell vehicle primarily for use in the U.S. can qualify for up to $7,500 in tax credits. Tesla's Model 3, being their most affordable vehicle, has reaped significant benefits from this program, as all versions of the Model 3 are eligible for the full $7,500 credit. However, Tesla's website now indicates that reductions in the tax credit are likely to occur after December 31. While the exact reasons for this expected reduction are not explicitly mentioned on the website, Twitter users have shared their theory. To qualify for the full credit, a vehicle must meet certain criteria set by the IRS, such as a percentage of its minerals needing to be extracted or processed in the United States or a U.S. free trade agreement partner. Additionally, half of the vehicle's components must be manufactured or assembled in North America. It's worth noting that the program is becoming progressively stricter about its component thresholds each year, with the requirements set to increase to 80% of a vehicle's battery minerals and components meeting domestic production requirements by 2027. The impact of these potential changes in tax credits on Tesla's stock price remains to be seen. The Model 3, which has been the company's best-selling model, has particularly benefited from the tax credit program. In fact, it has become more affordable than the Toyota Camry, which is the top-selling sedan in the country, especially in California. As investors, we need to keep a close eye on how these potential reductions in tax credits could affect Tesla's future sales and profitability. Any changes in affordability could impact consumer demand and ultimately influence the company's financial performance. Stay tuned for updates on this developing story as we continue to navigate the exciting world of Tesla and its evolving market landscape. Now let's explore the key levels of resistance and support for Tesla's stock. along with our analysis of how the stock might react as it approaches or breaks through these points tomorrow. Starting with resistance, we have 3 crucial levels to keep an eye on. The first resistance level stands at $273.55, followed by $276.20, and finally $280.89. These levels represent price points where we might encounter selling pressure. If the stock manages to break through these resistance levels, it could indicate a bullish sentiment and potentially open the door for further upward movement. On the flip side, let's turn our attention to the support levels. These levels provide a cushion for the stock, potentially attracting buying interest if the price starts to decline. The first support level is at $271.67, followed by $267.14, and finally $264.49. These support levels are critical as they could act as barriers to prevent the stock from dropping further. If the stock manages to hold above these support levels, it might signal a potential bounce back or a consolidation phase. It's important to note that stock prices can be influenced by various factors, including market sentiment, news developments, and broader economic conditions. Therefore, it's essential to consider these levels of resistance and support in conjunction with the overall market context and other relevant information to form a comprehensive view. As tomorrow's trading session unfolds, we'll closely monitor how Tesla's stock approaches and interacts with these key levels. Will the stock gather enough momentum to break through the resistance points, or will it find support and bounce back from the identified support levels? The answer lies in the dynamic interplay between supply and demand, investor sentiment, and any significant news or events that may arise. Remember, folks, investing in the stock market involves inherent risks, and it's crucial to conduct thorough research and analysis before making any investment decisions. Keep a close eye on the price action and the behavior of Tesla's stock as it navigates these important support and resistance levels tomorrow. And there you have it, folks. We've reached the end of today's episode, diving into the latest news and analyzing its potential impact on Tesla's stock price. We've explored the intricacies of the tax credit program and its influence on Tesla's affordability, highlighting the upcoming changes that could affect the market landscape. As always, it's crucial to stay informed and keep a close eye on the evolving dynamics of the electric vehicle industry. Market conditions can shift rapidly, and being aware of the factors that drive stock prices is essential for making informed investment decisions. If you found today's analysis valuable, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to join our community of savvy investors. By subscribing, you'll stay up to date with our daily market insights and never miss an episode. Remember, investing in the stock market is a dynamic journey, and understanding the factors that shape stock prices is key. We'll be back tomorrow with more exciting updates and analysis, so make sure to tune in. Thank you for joining us on EV Equity Edge, where we navigate the electrifying world of electric vehicle stocks. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and keep exploring the future of clean energy and sustainable mobility. Take care and happy investing.